Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to activate your Tor card in your WeChat wallet. And this is promised to be a step-by-step guide for foreigners. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat app. So I'm going to simply scroll down right here and I'll click on here to open up my WeChat. After you open up your WeChat, next thing you need to do is to come down below right here and make sure you click on me right here. And it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on Pay and Services. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on Wallets. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on Bank Cards. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on Get Your Tor card right here. Click on that. And this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Agree. Allow it to load up. Welcome to your China mobile payment journey. So you can simply click on Enter right here. Click on Enter. Once you click on Enter, click on this particular check mark right here. I have read and agreed to Tor card user agreement. So click on here. Click on here. And the next thing you need to do is to click on Quick User Login. Then it's going to take you right here. Request access and verify your mobile number. So your WeChat number is going to show right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on select your mobile number or your WeChat number that is banned. Click on it. Then you are here. So here you have different options right here for your Tor card. So next thing you need to do is to come down below right here and click on Activate the card. That's going to take you right here. So right here you need to select the preferred top-up amount right here. There are two options here. Option 1 has to do with 14,000 yen, which is equivalent to about 2,000 USD. And the option 2 here is 50,000 yen, which is equivalent to about 7,000 USD. So all in all, select any option that is preferable to you, and once you select the option, top up your WeChat Tor card for tourism and start making payment with your WeChat account in China. And also, if you have any question as far as this particular Tor card top up is concerned, you can come down below right here and reach out to customer service right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your WeChat account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.